fans, and welcome back to the Rusty Boxcar channel. Today for you, we've got an M209-30 that we filmed on June 30th. Caught this one up in Mitchellville, Kentucky, which is right on the Kentucky-Tennessee border off the mainline subdivision. On this day, this thing was led up by 3230 and 4548. It's making its way south from Louisville down to Moncrief Yard in Jacksonville, Florida. Thing was flying pretty fast when he came by us, but then slowed down a bit as he was meeting another train, 574, just ahead of us. So hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll be back soon with a new one for you.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it out there. If you did, please drop down below and click that thumbs up button to give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, either clicking the subscribe button down below, or you can hit the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen. Drop us a comment also. We enjoy those, and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can.